Hello my students, hello grade 5. This is Ms. Shurooq, social studies teacher. Today we will take lesson number 4, chapter number 5. The title of the lesson is Industry and Raw Materials. Let's start the lesson. Okay guys, have you ever think of the journey of your school shirt from a cotton field to your wardrobe after a long process of manufacturing? Or your notebook's journey from a part of a tree to your bag after a long process of manufacturing? So look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. The wood pulp taken from a tree and the cotton taken from a field were mixed with chemical and finally changed by machines into your notebook and your uniform. So again, the wood pulp, as you see here in the picture, the wood pulp taken from a tree and the cotton taken from a field, as you see here in the picture, were mixed with chemical and finally changed by machines into your notebook and your uniform, as you see here in these pictures. Okay, the first picture shows you your uniform. Okay, the second picture shows you your notebook. Okay, so what is the meaning of manufacturing? Okay, manufacturing means is the process that changes the raw materials into products. Okay, so raw materials like cotton into uniform, raw materials like trees or a part of a tree into paper. So this is the meaning of manufacturing. So manufacturing is the process that changes the raw materials into products. Okay, products that we use in our life. Here are the examples that we said: your uniform and your notebook. Okay, now let's talk about raw materials now. Raw materials are often natural resources such as oil, iron, cotton, and wood. Okay, so raw materials are the materials or substances used in manufacturing of a good. Okay, so again, raw materials are often natural resources like what? Like oil, iron, cotton, and wood. Raw materials are the materials or substances used in manufacturing of a good. Okay, now let's talk about industries based on raw materials. You have to know, guys, that industries can be classified according to the type of raw materials they use. Again, industries can be classified according to the type of raw materials they use. Number 1, agro-based industries. Agro-based industry. Number 2, minerals-based industries. Number 3, marine-based industries. And the last one, forest-based industries. Let's talk about each. Number 1, let's start with agro-based industries. Okay, agro-based industry is the industry that use plants and animals-based products as their raw materials. So plants and animals, other products are based on products as their raw materials. Okay, they use plants and animals to make products from plants and animals. Here are some examples. Okay, vegetable oil, cotton, dairy products, tea, coffee, all of these are examples of agro-based industries. Now let's talk about minerals-based industries. Okay, so mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. Okay, here are some examples like steel, petrochemicals, machine tools, iron. Okay, all of these are examples of minerals-based industries. Okay, now let's talk about marine-based industries. As you see in the picture, the marine-based industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples, as you see. Okay, now let's talk about the last one, forest-based industries. Forest-based industries use forest products as raw materials, okay, to make furniture, paper, buildings. Okay, so all of these are examples of forest-based industries, to use the forest products as raw materials. Okay? So guys, this is our lesson for today. It's very easy. Thank you so much for listening. Please study well. Have a good day and goodbye.